Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by installing the NET SDK and Visual Studio Code so you can compile and edit CHash right away. Once done, install the CHash extension, OmniSharp, because it provides IntelliSense and project support. Make sure your path includes .NET, then open a terminal and run .NET version to verify. You should also install the debugger extension and pick a terminal you prefer, because consistent tooling reduces friction when you run and debug your first app. Next, create a project with .NET New Console and open that folder in VS Code so the workspace is correct. You run .NET Restore to get packages, then .NET Build to compile. This catches errors early. Use the Run view to configure launch JSON or accept the auto-generated profile because it wires the debugger to your project. Once configured, hit F5 or run .NET Run. This executes the compiled app and lets you step through code to inspect variables and flow. To finish, set breakpoints and use the debugger controls so you can step into and out of methods. This reveals logic and state. Make sure the target framework in CSproj matches the installed SDK. If not, update global JSON or install the matching SDK. Once everything runs, test with .NET Run and a sample input. If something breaks, restart OmniSharp, reload the window, and check errors in the output panel. That single troubleshooting tip fixes most extension or language server hiccups.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.